Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you exactly step by step how to customize your Shopify product page using the Dawn theme, one of Shopify's most popular free themes. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to tweak your product page layout, add sections and make it look unique to match your brand, all without any coding. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before starting the whole procedure, I just want to clarify why customize your product page is important. So your product page is where customers decide to buy or bounce. So it should look clean, informative, and on brand. Customize this. It helps you highlight your key feature, build trust with reviews, upsell with related products, and improve the overall shipping experience or shopping experience. The Dawn theme makes this easy with its flexible no-code editor. So here actually you can see that we already landed in our Shopify dashboard panel. So here, if you are new in Shopify, then you will eventually get this kind of an interface. Like, let me show you this kind of an interface, and here you just need to click on start for free, and then you just need to provide your address, email address, your password, and first name, last name. Then they will ask you some questions like what kind of a website do you want, what kind of things do you want to integrate with your website. Then you just need to be given the answer one by one, and then they will provide you the whole website. So here, as you can see, we already installed our Dawn theme here, and it is one of the popular theme. Like, I am using this one balanced right now, but I will shift to the Dawn. So that for reason I will just click to the explore more themes option, just click over here, and then I will actually install the Dawn on my design. So I will click try theme, and it will take a while to importing the stored themes, so we just need to be keep patience over that work. So I think it already been done, and here actually you can see our Dawn theme just added. So I will just click to the publish. Once I click over here, then just click this one, confirm this, and it will be published here, and you can actually see it that our Dawn theme is actually published here, and now it's working perfectly. So now we are going to customize our product page. So for customization, we have an options here. By default, it's Shopify editing box. So here we can customize with this panel, but we want to do advanced design. So that for reason we will shift our install and apps in this platform. So I will just click to the ads, and then I will click to Shopify app store. Once I click over here, then here I will actually search for instant page builder. This is one of the greatest plugin I ever found, instant section and page builder. It is so much great, that's why I am going to use it, and it's really give us so much things. You can see their image, the drag and drop builder, anyone can easily use, just like your favorite design tool, fast, responsive, fluid design, everything your store needs, no code. Then have build advanced product page templates. Then we have these features like pick from 500 plus template that convert more. Then we have the options from Figma to Shopify in 3 steps. Then next we have build visual sections for your Shopify theme. Then next tell all in one store builder and many things. So I am going to install it. Once I click over here, similarly it will redirect me to the next step, and here I just need to be actually click to the install. Once I click over here install, it will be installed perfectly. So here you can see it will take a while, and now actually you can see that we are on now app.install.azo. So here you can design your things. Like here we are, like what are you building today, landing page, product template. So I am going to create product template, that's why I will click this one and open template library, or you can create a new project. So I will click on open template library, just click over here, and from that place you just need to be find out which one will be good for you. This one is product, and it's so much amazing. So you just need to be scroll down and find it out which one will be good with relevant with your product. So my product is here. Let's visit our store and let's see what is our actual product is. So our product is eco-friendly water bottle. So from that place I think this one probably the good one. So I will click over here, like I just select the design, and here they're telling us that 7-day trial, free trial, cancel anytime. So we don't want anything, so I will come back to this one, sections again, and click to the product template, create a new project, and this one will be good. Then I will click to the create project, and here actually you can see connect to Shopify. I just need to connect my Shopify store with this instant page builder. It will really simple. Here you can see, so here they are telling us to start a free trial, so we are not allowed to use this trial. It is so much headacheable, so I will cancel it. So yeah, I will just scroll down and explore all this on instant API. So here you can see they're not providing us the option. That is the so much bad thing. So here you just need to go over here, come back to this page, and just click to the setting, and then come back to the apps and sales channel, and here you just need to select this one and click the open app, and here you can see they are again telling redirect us to here. So I will come back to this one, just click to the project. We have the project here, so I just need to delete this one, move to okay, we are going to delete this, so let's delete this one, archive project. Just click to the archive, and let's paste it to archive project again. I think we have the limited option. That is the main thing, that is the problem we are facing. So now I am going to delete this one. There is no option. So now I am going to create a design. Just click to the design, and let's see is it really working or not. So here just click to the open, and here actually you can see it will be open. So I am store only connected one instant. The Shopify store can only be connected one instant project. So there is a, I already added an store with this one. That is the problem. So click on manage account, and from that place I will change the thing from that place. So let's find it out, go back, and let's see subscriptions, documentation, subscriptions. Here we are using the free plans, so we just need to be like this project and click current plan. So here I will click to the Shopify, and here we are going to unconnected with this one. So our website is FPA, so it already been added. So you just need to click on configure, store password, just provide a password. Let's see our store password over that place first of all. So on over here, just copy this one, and let's come back to an store provider, submit, and here you can see it already been connected. Store password has been saved. So I will come back to the general, and then click to the go back, and click to the store, and similarly I'm going to see the Shopify. It's okay. So let's go to this, go back, and then I will click to the project, and here just click to the options and open builder, and here actually you can see it is now working. So you can choose the template from that place. I will choose the product place, and here I found out one of them that will be this not this one. So I am going to import this design, and here actually you can see it already been inserted. So here you can see it, take me back. I think there is a lost your page, take me back, go to insert panel, and here you can add product, and let's add it here. And here actually you can see it already been added here. Just click to the preview, and here you can see the preview over that was, and it is so much responsible. So I think it is so much easy. Now you just need to click onto the publish. Once you click over the publish, you just need to select your Shopify with the instant, and it is so much easy. Now you can easily do your thing, and it is not yet connected, so that is the problem. So you just need to be connected with your Shopify. Then here you can actually add this instant. So this is the easiest way to add your product template. In here you can edit all the necessary things, and instant give you so much amazing things, amazing templates. So it will help you to make your gorgeous website with the customizable product page. So I think now you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic, with an interesting topic. Thanks for watching.